Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add signature in Outlook. The first thing I want you to do is open the Outlook desktop app, and then just come to the top left, click on File, okay, and then click here on Options. At the bottom left, click on Options, and then from here click on Mail on the left-hand panel. Scroll down a little bit until you see Create or Modify Signatures for Messages. Click on Signatures, and then click here on New. Then you can name your signature anything you want. Let's just do salutations. Okay. Click on OK. And you can edit your signature, whatever you want it to be. So let's do yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Okay. We'll type that in. And then we'll go ahead and put our name. So let's do Sam Smith. Right. Let me correct the spelling of sincerely. Then I'll hit here on OK, and our signature is basically saved. I can click here on New Mail, okay, and then, as you can see, our signature is automatically applied. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.